Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know already, my name is Alicia, and if you have not hit the subscribe button, I hope you do so. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. Normally I do fashion content on this channel, but I want this channel to be everything I love. I love makeup, I love fashion, I love beauty, and truthfully, I think all that coincide. So I love shopping on a budget. I love just being me. And that's why I created this channel. If you didn't know already, I have another channel, which I feel like have niched down to just nails. And that's not what I'm about. I love beauty and fashion, and that's a part of it. But I like being myself, and that's what the early YouTube was about, just being yourself, coming on here. And I think that's what I'm chasing, the old YouTube. I love being on here, being able to express myself, trying to build up a community. That's what I want the most, is a community. I love being able to have people, being able to connect with people. That's what I love. So on this video, I want to take at least 8 minutes to just pour out, I don't want to say pour out my heart, but just confess. Like I said, makeup therapy. I am doing my makeup right now, and when you feel good, you look good. To be honest, I'm not going to say the month of January, but January did kick my ass a little bit, but also just me trying to figure out life. Like, I'm not where I want to be at in life, and I don't want to fake it. So I want to be able to come on here and be open-hearted with you guys, and come on here and just be authentically myself. Don't judge me for anything. I mean, I know it's going to be people who judge, but yeah. I just want to be myself. I want to make a career at doing what I love. Is that so hard? I love because there's a lot of people doing that, but then I get in my head. And I'm like, this is not like this person. This is not, the comparison. That's what it is, the comparison. And what hurts me the most on my other channel. So, like I was saying, what hurts me the most, I'm sorry, I had to clear my throat. But what hurts me the most is that, like I said, I had to figure out some things myself. It feels like I have lost a lot of people in my life. Like, I'm really at a point feeling like I don't have anyone. Of course, you see my son in my videos, but that's exactly why he's here. Because he was, I wouldn't say my angel, my angel on earth. So he keeps me here and keeps me want to do things. So it hurts me because I just feel like I don't have any support. And that's why I was saying with my other channel is like, I've been doing that channel for years. Like, if you go back, I'll link the channel. Well, it's in my shared, like, other channel thing. So you'll see, I've been trying to grow on that channel for years. And it just seemed like everybody's able to build up a community. But then when it comes to me, nobody wants to comment. Nobody wants to interact with me. So it makes me feel down. And I don't want to feel like that. I just want to do this because I love doing it. And I think I need to get out my head and just do it because I love doing it and not depend on anybody supporting me. Because the person who supported me, which is my son, is what really matters. I'm not saying you guys don't matter or anything, but I think too hard about it. Like, nobody's commenting. I don't have any views. Like, that's really hard on me. And it makes me not be consistent. But my goal is to just kill it. I want better for myself. I just want to grow. And if friendships come out of this, I'll be so happy. But if it doesn't, I can't say I didn't quit. I've been trying to do this for years, and I need to give it a fair chance. Like, a fair chance. Like, be consistent, do everything I have to do to
make sure it works. And the only person who believes in me is my son. So I gotta make sure it works. If that makes sense. Like I said, this is a makeup therapy. So getting everything out that I actually feels really good. And I think I want to try to continue to do this maybe like once a month, or I'm not sure how frequent when it happens, because I love talking about fashion and that's what my channel was supposed to originally be about. But sometimes you just gotta get it out, talk to your girls. I don't have any girls. So you guys would be my girls, or you guys would be my friends. Talk to me in the comments. Like I said, I feel like I don't have anybody. So I hope you guys are willing to go on this journey with me and just support me. Like I said, I want to build up a community, and I really don't want to have to edit any of my likes and because like I said, I think too hard about everything. So I want you guys to hear the emotion that's coming out of this, to hear me. I wouldn't say cry out for help, but hear me when I say I want this. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this type of video. To be honest, it literally was like therapy for me. Like I got even though it sounds like I'm all over the place, but I'm thinking, and I'm thinking out loud. And it just make me want to actually put some clothes on and record some more. So I guess it did what it's supposed to do. So like I said, I want this so bad, and I hope you guys come on a journey with me. And yeah, if you guys want to hear more about this and other makeup therapies, maybe we can start a series on this. Let me know. Maybe we can do like a girl chat or whoever chat, because I do have some guys that watch me. So yeah, let me know. We can probably do like a Q&A. I want you guys to get to know me. I want to build up a community. I want you guys to be my friends. So again, my name is Alicia. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Alright, so you guys know what time it is. So I am about to get dressed. I don't really feel like getting dressed, so we're about to put on something really chill. It is currently 76 degrees. So yeah, I did my face, and these pants came as a set from Shein, so we will be putting that on. So we got that on. I don't wear the top because it makes me, I don't wear the top to the pants. I think I even gave it away. But yeah. This shirt, now, I really should have had that shirt on before I put this makeup on. But let's see. Let me try to find something, a bonnet or something. Okay, so I got the shirt on. Now I have to figure out shoes. On an everyday basis, I literally like to wear Crocs. One, because I'm not going anywhere. Two, because I like to be comfortable. So I think I have the perfect pair of Crocs to wear with this. Okay, so I noticed I haven't worn those Crocs before, so I will be wearing these Crocs. And you may be like, it's only 77. But I'm in Georgia, so 77 hit a little different. Like, the humidity and everything, it's a little different. So here is the full fit. Of course, I gotta put some earrings on. I put some earrings on just to jazz up the look a little bit. And here's the finishing look. Very inexpensive and very cute and chill. That's my style. I love to be cute and chill. If you guys like to see more of these outfit of days or get dressed with me, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you follow me on YouTube and my TikToks.